Hi, what's up, Little Fam? So I'm sure this will be uploaded on my YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. Okay. So marami akong ginawang videos na hindi napunta sa mismong official channel natin because of something that I call hesitation. Nag-hesitate ako sabihin yung mga bagay-bagay na dapat sinabi ko na sa inyo. And yun. So basically now, I have the motivation again to do. Actually, ewan ko na kung motivation pa ba to or I just want to do it. Kasi nga, I really want to be a director. A film director who can make awesome films that aalalahanin ng bawat tao. The first Filipino director na kung saan gagawa ako ng series sa ilang episode lang pero that is so good na kumbaga para siyang K-drama. Not the 200 plus episode, that the 1,000 plus episode, wala akong pinaparinggan na film. It's part of the learning process. And I agree na maganda naman yung mga 1,000 plus episodes kasi alam mo yun, marami kang abangan every night. Anong abangan mo every night if it's 12 lang? You know, ganun. So ayun, that's my goal. I want to make quality contents for Filipinos. Hindi naman for Filipinos, for myself then. Hindi lang siya exactly to give. I want to, gain something. So I want to do that someday. Ngayon, nasa engineering field pa ako and papayaman muna tayo dito sa engineering. And it will be my first stop before going to the director's club. Woo! Laging unggoy. Anyways, ayun nga. This week has been a lot. And I'll title this video as an update or maybe kulitan update, something, announcement. Kulitan announcements, I don't know. Ayun. Yung isa nating video which is the one i-re-upload ko yung one day in Manila. I-re-upload ko siya into a full video soon. Kaso sira kasi yung PC namin. I can't even make it. Andun yung videos. So I'll try to upload another video. Itatry ko muna i-unpublic yung video na yun. So kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, now's the time na panoorin nyo kasi at August 12 or sooner, ko na. Tanggalin ko na sa YouTube channel ko. So yun, any more updates? Ayun, gusto ko gumawa ng mga short films. I want to create short films, everybody. Kaso I don't have the tools to make it, the artist to make it. So, possibly, we'll be taking the long road there. And I want to create something new to our channel. Pero low-key lang muna kasi nga I can't create a lot of contents because again, I need to focus on my engineering course. And yun, bumagsak ako. Bumagsak ako sa engineering. One major subject, advanced math. I got 5. If taga ibang school kayo, tas 5 pinakamataas, no. It's the lowest grade that you'll ever get sa isang subject. So I got 5. I really got 5. So, ayun. Then, what's more is I need to get focus nga doon sa engineering. Why? Because I need to get back again on that. Gusto ko mataasan ko yung ginawa ko last year. And gusto ko hindi na ako bumagsak this year. Which is third year. I'm third year na, everybody. And sobrang tahimik ng first year to second year ko. Kasi no videos. Sabi ko mag-videos ako ng marami this college, but confidence hit me. My confidence is gone, everybody. My confidence is gone. Parang kahit sa mga kaklase ko ngayon, I can't even talk to them like I want to. Gusto ko makipag-usap sa kanila pero yun. High school hits me. Parang yung nangyari sa akin dati nung high school, it hits me pa rin ngayon. And ayun. So I'll try my best to be confident again and being a risk taker, yeah. So probably you'll see a better Jai. Not probably. I'll let you see the better Jai. Okay? Ayun, I'll be making season 3 early because ayun nga, season 3 season 2 is an epic failed epic failed season because I can't make myself to make contents because nga hindi ko nakuha yung gusto kong course, which is media arts. I didn't get it. I didn't get the film school. So, and ayun, marami nangyari. And nagdo-drawing na rin ako lately. Kung nakita niyo yung drawing boy. Yeah, that's the title of our drawing. Yeah, drawing boy. Mag-invest lang ako sa stand. And if you want to help, you can help me. Just email me if you want to help me do have those things. Kasi mag-invest ako ng stand. Kasi wala akong stand. Yung stand ko before, which is yung Kulitan S1 pa. Nasira yun. And mag-invest pa ako doon ulit para mas magkaroon ng flexibility in doing videos. Kasi ako pa rin naman, one-man show pa rin naman ako. And ayun, I'll be hoping na magawa natin yung mga gusto nating content this season 3. And this marks the start of season 3. This marks the start. I promise that I'll be making contents now. But not too quite na sobrang dami. I'll try to make quality videos for y'all. More on season 3 will be videos na about sa past. Mga past videos na na-stuck sa aking hard drive na hindi ko na nagalaw. And I'll be trying to upload those things para magkaroon ako ng memories pa about those things. Anyways, ayun nga. Tanda na ako. Magka-21 na ako. And yung 18 to 20 years old, which is 2 years nga. Sabi ko nga 2 years nga. 2 years na naman. Parang nung time na umiyak ako sa first MU ko. 2 years din ako bago naka-move on. So, ayun, 2 years. It's been a long time. Tumanda na ako sa pero I didn't get my goal, which is 300 subscribers. Until now, I didn't get it. Nababawasan pa. So, I want to make something better for the channel. I'll be uploading this unedited, so if you're gonna watch it with caution or watch it with or tatry ko siyang i-edit. Nawala din yung passion ko for editing everybody. I don't know why, but it's sad, but it's real. Nawala yung core ko. Nawala yung core ko na mag-upload ng mga videos and everything. But anyways, I'll try my best to get back and do some awesome content with you. Nakakamiss din yung mga other contents ko. That's why I'm really, really watching those. Pinapanood ko lagi. And yun nga, malapit na rin ako mag-OJT. Unting usod na lang, mag-OJT na rin ako. Nag-start na yung mga kaklase ko, pero ako hindi pa. Yes, one last. The best for last. But anyways, ayun nga, go-OJT na ako for my course, Industrial Engineering. I'll try to update you all there. Mag-start tayo pa unti-unti ulit sa ating channel. Let's see kung saan tayo pupunta. And I hope nasamahan nyo pa rin ako sa boring journey ng aking buhay. Hindi siya boring, pero boring yung magiging process for me as of now. Pero ayun nga, samahan nyo sana ako na pagpatuloy yung channel na sinimulan ko. The rebrand na sinimulan ko, the one-man show that I always love, which is our channel. Alright? So yun nga, ang dami kong announcement, palagi akong announcement, pero wala naman nangyayari. So I'll try my best to do the things that I've said. Ayun. I love you all for still here, for still being here kung may manonood man ng video na to. And ayan, i-upload ko na to, promise. And ang dami talaga ng video. Meron pa akong 16 minutes na video. Meron pa akong 20 minutes na video. Pero di ko na-upload. So, ayun. This will be the mark of season 2. Let's start. Okay? Let's start with season 3 or pag na lang. Start with season 3. Yan, syempre mas gwapo ako ngayon. Kaya tingin ko mas magugustuhan niyo ako. Pero gwapo ni Jay, oh. Blooming dahil sa kanyang girlfriend. Shoutout Sandra. Anyways, ayun nga. Yun lang. 10 minutes out. Jay out. Sayonara.